So guys, and welcome to this video, and today's video is on the wonderful PancakeSwap. So I'm going to be doing a bit of analysis over what the cake tokens are and what I feel the projections will be for this token, because I am in love with it. It's not biased as well. This is going to be just an opinion of mine. You guys can believe it or not, but I'd also like to know what you guys think this coin could reach in the end of the year and maybe even 5 years time. So before getting into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, it does mean the absolute world, and yeah, let's get straight into this video. So this is the PancakeSwap website. A lot of you guys are familiar with PancakeSwap. They are a decentralized exchange, so no one actually controls it like Binance or Coinbase. No one actually controls all the transactions. You do it yourself. It's decentralized, and this is a very popular site. It's had so many people using this site in the past year. At the moment, it's got over 1 million followers just on Twitter itself, and there's obviously more than that who have just used the platform in itself. So PancakeSwap, if you guys don't know, you obviously buy tokens. You put the address in and you can buy whatever token you like. So you can literally press boom, 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 type in how much you want. So I've got 0.018 BNB, and there you go. I can literally press swap and it will add it to my wallet, and it will just go straight through the Binance blockchain. So yes, PancakeSwap is on the Binance blockchain. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I am getting more and more bullish. Even though the crypto market is kind of going a bit bearish, I am more and more bullish on basically PancakeSwap than I ever have been, only because of what's happening in the future. And as you see right here, it says NFTs. On the 7th of October, they are releasing their very own NFTs, which could be like OpenSeas and could be very much like, obviously, the whole Ethereum blockchain with the OpenSeas. And a lot of people don't like buying NFTs on OpenSea because it's the Ethereum blockchain, because of the gas fees. And the gas fees are super high. You end up paying $150 just to get your mints through, and that's horrible. However, as PancakeSwap is on the Binance blockchain, literally the minting fee is like £1, maybe not even that. So it's not much at all. And if we look at the PancakeSwap price right now, it's $18.57. So it's fairly cheap at the moment. It has hit highs of around about $40. If I show you here on the charts, it hit $44. So yes, that's its all-time high here. Can it ever recover? Who knows what can happen? Who knows? I'll tell you my prediction at the end of this video. But I am pretty bullish. It's at a bit of a dip now, so I'm definitely been buying more just to average down, dollar cost average. That's the way to profit. However, the only thing with this coin is it's an inflationary coin, so it's not like Bitcoin, it's not like others. So as the circulating supply is over 225 million cake, it will keep going up because it's constantly being printed. However, they are burning every single day. They do sometimes have basically a deficit, so they end up burning more than they actually supply, because also they give out cake rewards and different things. However, don't be too scared, guys, because inflationary coins aren't the worst. As we know, Ethereum is an inflationary token or coin, whatever you guys want to call it. It's an inflationary coin until Ethereum 2.0. So never know, PancakeSwap could follow in the same direction and go, you know what? It's deflationary. We're not going to have it inflation anymore. And yeah, so this is why I'm fairly bullish. So $18.59. The market cap is only $4 billion. That isn't that high at all. We can literally have a look at the different exchanges. So yeah, PancakeSwap at the moment is the third best DEX just by volume. So the volume is only about $755 million. When I say only, I don't mean only. I mean quite a lot. But it looks pretty good. It's very bullish. I'm very bullish. A lot of people do stake their tokens on there because they do have the very own staking feature. So I'll show you guys the staking feature. They have their very own farms, which I sometimes use to basically do my liquidity pool trades, stuff like that. So I normally do buy them on. But one thing that sells PancakeSwap to the max is their very own pools, and their pools offer manual cake and auto cake, and people can stake their cake and let it auto compound. So right now the auto cake is around about 77% APY, which is insane. Obviously it's a bit risky because it does go by the market price as well as basically how much interest you get. So it does go down when more people jump on, and obviously goes up when less people jump on. So at the moment I have on about 72.8 cake just sitting there. So every day I get $2.11, 7 days I get $14.86, and 30 days $64.87. So completely passive income, which I can't complain about. But obviously if the price goes up, the more money I get as well. So at the moment, like I said, PancakeSwap is sitting at $18.56. So the reason why I'm quite bullish is because it's just hit their 1 year anniversary, or 1 year basically birthday, and they are releasing their very own NFTs. And the NFTs look very similar to like this. This one looks very, very dodgy. You won't look at this one, but this is what their NFT marketplace will look like. This is just a draft, but this is what it looks like, and I have to admit it does look really cool. So it looks very similar to OpenSeas, where you can look at different ones, put a lowest bid, you could do buy now, you could do different type of things. But if we scroll down, here's the type of NFTs that we'll be seeing, and I know that a lot of people will definitely be buying these because they want a nice avatar for their Twitter. And also I heard a rumor that all the little fees that will be taking place to buy these will basically be burned. NFT market fees will go to the burn. So this is really, really good. Look, they're literally burning millions every single day. So obviously they're making more and they're selling and they're burning more. So yeah, 7th October is the release date of these NFTs, and I am very, very bullish. I'm going to try and get my hands on one of these as well. They're minting 10,000 randomly generated bunny NFTs. So that McDonald's one is really cool. I'd like to get my hands on that. And I can really see these go up for quite a lot of money, just because a lot of people know PancakeSwap, and this is one of the first ones. CryptoPunks was one of the first Ethereum ones, and look at the price of them now. So never know, PancakeSwap could do really well and just keep going up, and then obviously the price of the NFTs go up. So if you guys could try and get your hands on some NFTs, this could really help your wealth. So yes, this is PancakeSwap, and if I have a quick look at obviously the chart, I'm going to give you my estimate what I think the price could go. So if I just look at the charts, it's the 1 year chart here. Obviously it did peak around about here, so it hit $44. I think in a year's time it could easily peak its $44 all-time high. I think this is it's a bit of a high bar, but I can really see in a year's time it could hit $100, especially if the NFTs work out really well and a lot of people do jump on, and if the BSC kind of blockchain doesn't go to the bin and obviously the shitcoins carry on going, I can really see PancakeSwap going back up to 44s and possibly hitting $100 a coin. That means the market cap will sit around about $20 billion, which isn't too much, to be fair. So I reckon end of year to a year's time could hit $100, and low I could see it maybe even dip into $15, but I can't see it hitting $15 at the moment. I'm going to keep buying anything under $25 at the moment. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is PancakeSwap. Let me know, guys, what you think of PancakeSwap, and where do you think this coin will go in the next year, and do you think the NFTs will work out well? So guys, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and yeah, peace out people, see ya, bye.